If you're like me and you're getting older and you want to cut back on your caffeine, but you still want to take your pre-workout because you still like going to the gym, maybe you go to the gym later in the day, you realize these other pre-workouts make you not sleep, check out this pre-workout from Gainful. I've been using it for a few weeks now and it has a really nice flavor. This is in their watermelon. Got it all mixed up right here, getting ready to hit some shoulders in a bit. Tastes good, has that watermelon Jolly Rancher style flavor. And what this does is we have a few ingredients in here. We have creatine. Let's see what we have all together. 12 grams per scoop, 14 servings per container. We have 4,000 milligrams of citrulline L-malate, which helps hydrate your muscles, gets everything going to it. We got 3,000 milligrams of creatine. So many benefits to creatine. We have 1,500 milligrams of beta-alanine, which can help you get more reps. These are all ingredients I've used for the past 25 years I've been lifting weights. And then we have, some valine, some other amino acids and stuff like that, but mostly citrulline, malate, creatine, and beta-alanine, all great ingredients for strength and endurance and hydration as well to keep your workout going. A nice big scoop, nice minimal packaging, and you're not gonna, because honestly, I train people all the time and stuff, and it's so silly. They're like, oh, I'm not getting any sleep, but I take this pre-workout at 7 p.m. Whatever advantage it's giving you in the gym, if you're not sleeping, that's the worst thing you can do. So do not drink your pre-workouts late in the evening and then not be able to sleep. Try something else like this, and I hope this video helps you with your buying decision.